Do you want to speak English with more confidence? Do you want to understand native speakers more easily and sound more natural when you speak? Then you are in the right place. Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are so happy you are here today. My name is Leo.
And my name is Anna. Leo, can I ask you something? Do you ever feel nervous when you try to speak English?
Oh, yes. And I think many of our listeners feel the same. Then this lesson is perfect for you. Today, we start with a very simple story. Just relax. Listen to the main idea. Don't worry about every word.
Our story is called The Broken Umbrella.
Oh no, Anna. Look at your umbrella.
I know. It broke in the wind. Now I am completely wet.
Yes, your hair, your jacket, everything is wet. What happened?
I was walking to the bus stop. The wind was very strong. Suddenly, the umbrella flipped inside out.
That sounds terrible. Did someone help you?
Yes, a nice old man said, "Here, take my umbrella. I have another one." He was very kind.
Wow, that is a happy ending. Did you catch the bus?
Yes, I did. And the bus was warm inside. It felt wonderful after the cold rain.
So the day started bad, but it finished happy.
Exactly. Sometimes small kindness can change your whole day.
Now, let's learn some useful words from the story. Repeat after us. Speak slowly and clearly.
Wet,
Meaning, covered with water or rain. Example, my clothes are wet. The street is wet after the rain.
wind,
Meaning, moving air. Example, the wind is strong today. I cannot open my umbrella in the wind.
flip inside out.
Meaning, turn the wrong way because of strong wind. Example, my umbrella flipped inside out.
Kind,
Meaning, friendly, helpful. Example, the old man was very kind. She is a kind friend.
catch the bus.
Meaning, get on the bus in time. Example, hurry, I need to catch the bus.
Great! Remember, repetition helps your brain learn faster. Try to say the words many times today.
Now it's your turn to speak. I will ask questions about the story. You answer out loud. Don't worry, no one can hear you. This is the best way to build fluency. Question 1. Why was Anna wet? Because her umbrella broke. Question 2. What caused the umbrella to break? The strong wind broke it. Question 3. Did someone help her? Yes, a kind old man helped her. Question 4. Did Anna catch the bus? Yes, she caught the bus. Question 5. How did Anna feel inside the warm bus? She felt wonderful.
Great job! Every time you answer out loud, your English becomes stronger.
You are doing fantastic today. Remember, speaking English is a skill. It grows when you practice a little bit every day.
Yes! Even simple stories like this help your brain think in English. Be proud of yourself. You are improving, you are learning, you are doing great.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Keep going. Keep practicing.
If you enjoyed this practice, please give us a like. It helps our channel so much.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories for more easy listening practice.
Also, check our next episode after this one. It has another short story for speaking practice.
Thank you for listening today. Keep learning, keep smiling, and speak English every day. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.